Ladies and gentlemen, here's an easy recipe of our pulled beef with buns and coleslaw salad. So we'll start off by seasoning our brisket generously. Then in a pot, we'll add a spoon of olive oil. Then we brown it on both sides. You can also use short ribs if you have. Then we start preparation of our veggies. So we'll chop all our veggies. Then in the same pot, we'll add a little bit of olive oil. Then we saute our onions and our garlic. Then we add our celery, carrots, and peppers. We'll let everything cook for 5 minutes. Then we add our seasoning, a squid of tomato paste, and our red wine. Then we let everything cook for 7 minutes. Then we bring back our meat, our tomatoes, our herbs, and our beef broth. Then we let everything cook for 3 hours or until it's tender. And then we move over to our buns. And guys, today my voice is failing me. I'm fighting for my life over here, so please bear with me. So once our dough is combined, we'll put it in an oiled bowl, then cover it and let it rise for at least an hour. Then we move over to our coleslaw. So our coleslaw has minimal ingredients, but it's very, very delicious. It's cabbage, carrots, and the amazing salad dressing. You just pour the salad dressing on top of your veggies, mix everything together, and voila, that's how beautiful it comes out. And it was now time to shape our buns. So we'll cut our dough into smaller pieces, then we create round balls, then we put them on our pan, then we brush them with our egg wash, and then off to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are golden brown. And the beef also came out looking very good. I then separated it from the soup, then I removed all the bones, and then I pulled it using my hands. So yeah, there's many ways to kill a cat, so my hands work even better. I then added a little bit of the juices so that my meat doesn't become dry. And the buns came out as intended. They were very soft. I brushed them with butter and kept them in a tightly sealed container so that they stay soft. And it was now time to dish. This meal took forever, but it was worth the wait. It was very, very delicious. Please try this at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, it's all chocolate love.